Hey guys, it's Brian here from Heirs the Outdoors. Today we're going to go over the basics of using a slate call. We're going to go over the 4 basic types of calls. We're going to go over clucks, purrs, and the 2 different kinds of cadence calls, which is the mating cadence call and the locator cadence call. The call we'll run today is a duck run game call. They're handmade, they sound awesome, and we can't wait to kill some turkeys with them this spring. So first, you're going to hold the call. Just hold your hand out like this and drop it. You're going to want to have a little pocket right in here so the sound can come out of these holes and project outwards. So you're going to hold your striker like this. You're going to hold it, just get to the palm of your hand like this, put it right on the edge of the call, and then curl your hand around it so it's going to be like this, so you have a stable position when you're about to strike the call. Before you even start making any noise with your call, you're going to want to get sandpaper, probably like anywhere from like 100 to 150 grit. You want to scuff this up pretty good in all places, or else you're not going to get any sound out of it. So you just keep that in your pocket whenever you're hunting, and just to make sure it's got those ridges in there. So we're going to start with the clucks. You're going to take the positions I just told you, and you're going to point your striker almost level, but a little bit forward. That works best for me. And put it against the glass, and then just do short little putts, like short little strokes, just like that. And it should sound something like this. And that's a cluck. Hens do that just as like content clucks, or even like locator clucks to find, like, just stay close around other birds. I'm gonna go over what a purr is. A purr is usually, I like to use it early in the mornings. As soon as hens get down off the roost, they're gonna start purring and clucking, and then they all get together usually. So here's what a purr is. It's just like you put a little bit more pressure than what you did to do a cluck, and then you're just gonna put more pressure and you're gonna drag it. So it should sound something like this. And then you can put clucks and purrs in at the same time. So normal cluck is just one simple stroke. Purr, you just drag it. Takes a little practice, but purr is probably the hardest thing you're going to do. Now we're going to go over cadence calls. There's 2 types of cadence calls. There's going to be a mating and a locator cadence call. To do cadence calls, instead of like the short little straight lines that you did with purrs and clucks, you're going to do yelps, which is oval shapes. So just go in circles. So we're going to start with the mating cadence call. This is how you're going to get those gobblers all riled up and thinking that a hen's ready to mate. So you're going to start with 1 long yelp, followed by 3 to 5 shorter yelps. It's going to sound something like this. Now we're going to do a locator cadence call. It's going to be 10 to 15 yelps after the initial yelp. It's going to sound something like this. Hens do this when they get separated from the group after someone shoots, or they get scared or anything like that, to try to get together back in the group. So if you got turkeys scattered everywhere, use a locator call. You might get some turkeys coming your way. So that's basically it, guys. There's your 4 different kinds of calls: your clucks, purrs, and then your mating call, and locator cadence call. And that's basically all you need to know to call in turkeys. So good luck out there.